All right, so we're back on BitGet to complete this. And it's not really a nice story at all. Yes, it's not. Reason being that it looks like we made a bad decision. Okay, so look at it. As you can see, this live is not going to be long at all. It's just for, oh, this was a bad decision. Now, let's take a look at where we like 2 days ago, yeah, that we had our live trading, and we chose this based on the fact that we were expecting there to be, you know, an opening out of the Bollinger Bands. Let me enlarge this for you to see. This was where we were at. Look at it. This was the area where, this was the zone where we were. Let me put it somewhere here. It was somewhere here. Yeah, it was somewhere at this point that, oh no, it's blocking the view. This area here, this was where we were at, and it was looking a bit stuck, but it looked like it was going to go up to the higher heights. If I look at this point here, let me get back and show you what I'm talking about. This point here, you can see this was like 2 days ago, right? And it actually was supposed to go up. And that's the truth. Like I always tell you, you never know what's going to happen the next minute. And it just so happened that it started dumping. Initially, when I saw this, I was like, wow, what should I do? Should we go ahead? Oh, hi, guys. Welcome on board. I didn't even announce I was going live. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining. So we're going to have to conclude this particular trade because it's looking like it's really dumping. Currently, this is where we're at. And it's looking like it's dumping. It's really, really dumping. Even though from what I can see here, let's look at the 15 minutes. The 15 minutes timestamps looks like it might likely go up. But at this point, it looks like I just want to get out of this trade. You can see, even for the 1 day, it's been dumping for 2 days. Look at those red candles. And it doesn't look like it's going to get better. And that's what happens to a lot of coins when they get listed. Let me squeeze this graph so we see how long this has been seen. You can see how flat it was. That means it has just been about how long? When did this start? Let me see. This started like about a month ago. Yeah. So it's actually a new coin. It's a new coin, as you can see. It's a new coin, but it's dumping, right? So what we just have to do is either cut our losses or we wait. Now, if you're there in the chat, can you just let me know what do you think we should do at this point? What do you think if you were gonna be on the straight? And you can see, I mean, we did 3 trades. We did one on Binance. We did one, and we made money with that. We did another one on KuCoin with $50. We made 87 cents. And now we went ahead to BitGet. It was looking promising, but here we are. This is what we get. It's really, in fact, it's even gone even lower. Nah, I think we should cut our losses. What do you think? See, it's gone up again. It's very unstable. If I go to trade, you see it's now at 0.000003730. It was 4342. Remember? Let's go and see how much we bought it. We're going to be losing probably like $2 or more. And that's really bad. That's really, really bad. We're talking about almost like 10% of our portfolio. See, can you see we bought it at how much? That was at, no, this is it. Look at trade details. We bought it at, what was it again that we bought it as? I'm trying to check. Yeah, 42. Yeah, look at it here. This is it. 42. We bought it at 4265. And now we're currently at 3737. That's really low. So what I want to do now is I want to cancel and see how much we're going to lose. We're actually already on a loss trend right now, and it's not getting better. It's not getting better at all. So I would say, oh, but look at it. Just look at this. Let's go to the 15 minutes. 15 minutes, it's just been unstable. 1 hour, see, it's deepening. People are currently buying. They're selling out. People are selling out. People are selling, and as it's don't forget, I always tell you, when you are selling, anytime you're selling, you're contributing to the price going down. Anytime you're buying, look at the RSI. The RSI is really, really deep in, like it's seriously going down. I'm not happy we made a bad decision here, but in life, you win some, you lose some, right? Our prayer is that our wins will always be higher and more and outnumber our losses. But when it comes to trading, you can never tell what's going to happen, right? So that's just it. You never can tell what's going to happen. So let's just cancel the trade and let's see how much we're going to lose. Don't forget, we still have 28 cents in here. So anything we're doing, we have to remember to add the 28 cents, right? So let's cancel this trade. Let's cancel it. Let's cancel it. Okay, we've canceled it. And then we're back. Let's see if we have to sell. Let's now go ahead. Now look at this. If we have to sell, this is the current price. The current price. So if we have to sell, let's take everything. Oh my God. It's just going to give us 21.9. Wow, wow, wow. That means that we're going to be losing over $3. Over $3, like about $3. Am I going to do this? Am I going to fall for this? What is that? What is $3? $3 is over 10%. $3, look at it, 21.9. And then we started out with 24.72. Yeah, 24.72. Let's go check. 24.72. 24.72. Don't forget we have 28 cents there. Times, let's see, what would we call that? 10%? No, it's going to be more than 10%. Is it? Yeah, 10%. 10%. Oh no, wait. Actually, this is going to probably 15% of our portfolio. No, not 15%. Let me do 12%. Yeah, almost like this. Almost like this, right? Even if I say 11, no, not 11. It's actually 12%. Yeah, that's the way to look at it. We're going to be losing 12%. Should we go ahead? What do you think? What do you think? Please let me know in the comments, because I'm looking at this and I said, oh, this is actually, but I saw it was going down. If we go back to the charts, I saw it was going down. I just felt, oh, it will open up again. It will open up again. And that's it, right? When you start seeing, see, whenever you're trading, have an idea of where you don't want to go below, right? The lowest amount, oh, see it here. Just see it here. See it here. It's a loss. It's a loss. Okay. So if it's a loss, then let's get out of this. Because earlier, see what happened? It actually dipped even the more. It dipped even the more. Right now, see, the price is 3627. Wow. Wow, it's going down. So maybe I should just get out of this trade before we lose more money. Now, I could be proven wrong, right? I could be proven wrong. The reason why I say I could be proven wrong is that in the next minute or two or next hour, look at it. Look at it. Just, can you see what I'm saying? Can you see what I'm saying? Wow. Wow. Let's see. Oh, that's really bad. That's really bad. 21.73. I think we should just get out of this trade. We'll lose that 10% of our portfolio, and then we just it's a bad decision. It's a bad decision. So if it was a bad decision, let's go with it. That's our choice. That's what I would do for now. Oh, sorry about. Oh, back in the. We're back. We're back. So let me cancel this. I don't want to waste time on this, right? So currently, what do we have? What is it now? Oh, has it gone down a little bit more? That's the reason why we didn't get to sell it. It went down more. It went back up. Let's see whether we'll be able to get this sold. I probably will not make too much of it. It's already a loss anyway, so we've already made a loss. We've already made a loss. So it keeps on fluctuating between 3638, right? 3638, and I saw 37 just now. Well, oh, I'm sorry guys, but this is it. This is the world of trading. sometimes, I mean, like you saw, we made money with the other two, but this one, it's actually a loss. But we need to bring this to a close. That's the reason why I wanted us to end this trade. And I could have come in here much earlier, but okay, if I choose this, how much will this be? 21.2. How much will that be? How much of money would I have lost? That's an extra 70 cents. It's obviously more. Why does it keep going up and down like that? Okay, so I'm trying to sell. Look, let me tell you something. Look at what's happening here. It's fluctuating because if you look at this price here, which is 3625, you can see that people are actually just letting go of that price. The highest price here, if you want to get it sold, is 3737, right? And then below here we've got 3628, right? So we have, this is the current price. The current price is 3696, right? That's the asking price. If I click on that, but if I want to get it sold immediately, I have to choose this 3628. 3628 is what I'm going to choose. So if I choose that, I'm practically going to lose like about $4. Wow. This is actually a very hard decision to make because looking at it, right? Just looking at it right now, if I go back to the charts, you can see that red candle it's actually in the dip mode. And I was really hoping that I didn't have to waste this much time. You can see how this the Bollinger Bands tighten up. And that's why I always prefer the parabolic SARS. I think for me, the parabolic SAR is more dependable than the Bollinger Band for me. I've seen it. I mean, I can see a lot of choices I've made using the parabolic SARS work for me. But for this Bollinger Bands, I'm not too down with it. But that's what they have. They don't have parabolic SARS here. So since they don't have it, we have to make use of what they have. See what the price is? 3722. That's the current price, right? Let's get back into the trade and let's see what we're going to do. So if I change this to, this is 3692. 3692. Let me see. Oh no, I'm not buying. I'm selling. Okay. 3627. 3625. Oof, let me just go with it. Let's just go with this. Let's move. We gotta move. We gotta move. We gotta move. We gotta move. Want to go. Let's just move. In life, yeah, situations happen. We're still in the queue. Why are we still in the queue? It just shows that, and that's what I have personally. This is my honest opinion. If I wasn't on Binance, I would have sold this out. I don't know why it keeps on putting me in the queue. I wanted to get it sold at the lower price, and it's just pushing me up and down. And that's always a problem with these newer platforms, right? I'm not saying that BitGet isn't good. I'm just wondering why it's just wasting my time, right? It's wasting my time. I'm trying to get this sold, and then it's just going up and down. I'm trying to get it sold. Let's see. I'm going to lose a lot, but I just want to get this sold, right? I want to get out of this trade fast. Oh, yeah, it's done. Done and done, over with, right? The reason why I had to go for that, I mean, I could come back in like about an hour and I could find out, oh no, we bought it at the last end. But that's it. It's over. It's over. Oh, God, I feel so bad with this, right? I feel so bad with it, but see? Oh my God, it went up again. But we made our decision. Bitcoin BSC was a bad decision for us. So we cut our loss and we're out. So how much do we have left? How much do we have left? Oh, no, we've got a whole... We lost a lot of money. We lost a lot of money. I'm sorry, guys, but that's the world of trading. We lost 5. We lost about $3.50. Yeah. That was over 10%. So this was a loss. Well, we made money in the other two, but we made a loss on BitGet, right? And it was a bad loss because from the get-go, when it was going down, we didn't quickly check on it to take advantage of going down and quickly get out. Because if I was here and I took advantage of it, probably I'd only lose like $1, right? But right now we had to lose over $3. I'm sorry, guys. That's it. We always pray that our losses will be very minimal and very far, few and far in between, right? But would you not have any losses? No, it's not. It's not possible. You would always have some losses here and there, but you should have more wins than you have losses. Please let me know what you think about this trade, right? Let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for being on board. I can still see you guys here. Thank you so much. God bless you. And it's a wrap. But before we go, okay, I think I've told you that already, that we had to take this loss because we needed to get out of the trade, or else in another 1 or 2 days, the coin would have gone flatter, and probably we might be losing up to 50% of our account or of our trading volume. And I didn't want that to happen, right? We can take another trade and make money over and over again. But for this one, it was a bad decision that we took, and we're out of it. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in other videos. God bless you, and I'll speak to you again sometime soon. And if you see my live classes coming up, please don't forget to join us, and let's just continue this trading adventure together. All right, take care, bye-bye, and have a great day.